Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable logs in Telegram. Disabling logs can help enhance your privacy and save storage space on your device. We'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. In the top left corner of the app, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to access the main menu. Step 3. From the main menu, locate and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you find the section where the app's version is located. Step 4. Tap and hold on the app's version. After holding it for a moment, tap and hold on it again. This action will trigger the appearance of a menu called the Debug menu. Step 5. Within the Debug menu, locate and tap on Disable Logs. By tapping on this option, you will disable the logging feature in Telegram. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable logs in Telegram, ensuring a more private experience and optimizing storage on your device. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a log-free experience in Telegram.